What's up, guys? It's cold as fuck, but I'm gonna start my first vlog today. I'm gonna get down with the G. Shit, if it even focuses. But yeah, got a new steering wheel. Can't show you much yet, but ooh, it's gonna go on today. Yeah. We got some early work, dude. Finna take this bad boy off. Early morning. You know what it is. So, first things first, take the battery out, obviously. Just want to disconnect the negative, tuck it so it won't fucking touch it. Well, I'm really fucking struggling. I had all my pieces here ready to work on it in the morning. Here it is. Take off steering wheel. Damn, bro. Never focuses. Oh. Alright, so you're gonna need this T30. Shit. This T30 nut, whatever. But yeah, it goes in here. Make sure you disconnect the battery first, or else you fucked. Shit, put you guys right here. Action, gang. So, I suggest testing out just to make sure the power's really off. You know, never know. Sometimes it might be connected still. Dang, she's tricky. Yeah, look. Again. Your boy needs to get your tripod. Real. Shit, I'll just come back to it. So, like, got one out, but the other one's being a bitch. It's slowly coming out. This is honestly one of the first ever mods I've ever wanted to do to a car. You know, everyone always popping out their steering wheels, swinging it outside the window. Just kidding, fuck that. But yeah, realistically, oh shit, I always wanted to do this, but you know, exhaust is always the first. Damn it, awesome that. Fuck with that. I don't know. But we got some progress. Gotta take this clip out right here. Oh shit. Alright. Now, can't see shit. We need a brake bar. Shit. Right. 19? Should be. Hey, 19 millimeter. Ain't shit a baddie. Yeah, we out here, boy. Doing work. Slowly but surely. This motherfucker don't fit. But damn. What's that? Come on. Yeah, I know the vlog's gonna be hella retarded. Can't even see anything, but it's my first vlog, you know. Just getting started. But yeah. Be right back. This is a very important part, that you keep your steering wheel straight. Luckily, mine's pretty straight right now. You just gotta give it a cool little. There you go. Yeah, make sure it's straight. But bam! Who need it? Oh, yeah, as fuck, bruh. I gotta keep these clips. Alright. Make sure that motherfucker's straight. Alright. Gotta realign real quick. Yeah, pretty straight to me. Alright, so what I went with, NRG, this boxing is raw, bro. NRG hub. Ba-bam. Alright, got my hub on. For my quick release, I went with the D&D Performance quick release. Why? Because, I don't know, just wanted to be different, you know? And it's really small and just really it's really small and just really, you know, the other ones are pretty big. And I like this, it's just so small. Bulky. Let's get it. Shit. Shout out Elegant G35. It came in real clutch, bro. Or else I don't know how to fucking do this. Look how the hub looks with it. Fresh. Stupid fresh. Alright. Now the moment of truth. Ready for the steering wheel. Bob. Oh shit, where you guys go? Pete. Got the D&D Suede Sport steering wheel. It's fucking fire. You guys ready for this? Put you right here. He already locked down these, that's pretty good. But here we go. Alright, you guys ready? Bam! Look at that. Beautiful. Red suede. Oh my god. Sheesh. So fresh and so clean, baby. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. process. Big bro over there with the big Z. Prepping for the meet later. Alright, now it's time to wash the whips. Be right back.
Seen you pull up, you hopped out the whip. Fat little ass, you know I'm gon' hit it. You didn't even know, didn't know of it until I let you